If your app has multiple screens, you'll need a way for users to move between them. In Thunkable, this is done using navigation blocks, which tell the app when to open a different screen based on a user action. Start by opening Thunkable and selecting the project you want to edit. Once your project loads, make sure you have multiple screens in your app. For example, you might have a home screen and a profile screen. Navigate to the screen where you want the navigation to start. This is usually the main screen of your app and often contains a button that users can tap to continue to another page. With Thunkable's AI-powered workflow, you can create navigation without manually building the blocks yourself. Simply open the AI chat and describe the behavior you want. For example, you can type a prompt such as when the user clicks the Get Started button, navigate to the profile screen, or open the settings screen when the settings button is pressed. The AI will generate the necessary navigation blocks and connect them to the appropriate component. Once the AI finishes processing your request, the navigation logic will be added to your project. This means that when a user interacts with a selected button or element, the app will automatically open the destination screen. You can create additional navigation paths in the same way. For example, you might add a button that returns users to the home screen, opens a menu page, or moves them to a details screen after completing a form. Navigation is an important part of app design because it helps users move through different sections of your application. Whether you're building a shopping app, a productivity tool, or a personal project, clear navigation makes the experience easier and more intuitive. After setting up the navigation, use Thunkable Live to test the flow. Tap the buttons and verify that each one opens the correct screen. If you want to change the destination later, simply update your prompt and ask the AI to modify the navigation. And that's how you navigate between screens using blocks in Thunkable. Open your project, use the AI chat to describe where users should go when they interact with a component, and let Thunkable generate the navigation logic for you.